We are seeing some spamming lightning right now. Like, this is just... We are seeing some spamming lightning right now. And this is just non-stop. You see that flash? That's lightning. You saw that? Yeah, I'm posting this on YouTube. That's for sure.
Can you see this, guy?
Can you see this? This is so good. These are some real good angles. Boom, boom, boom. Those flashes, those little flashes, those are, but they're bigger. They look better in real life, like not in the video. I'm sorry if you guys can't see. You see that little orange bit? That's the lightning. It's just non-stop. And it isn't even raining. Oh, by the way, that's our pool. It looks so cool. Let me just show you from a better angle. Yeah. Dude, it's spamming again. I just gotta zoom in.
Wow.
I'm zoomed in completely.
It's going on a lot more. I just can't hold my phone.
Me neither. You see that, guys? You see that?
Okay, I'm done.
Boom.